All right, how's it going, guys? Okay, we're back. So far, interior is mostly complete. Just headliner. We still got to remove the back glass. The engine on the rear glass. I think we can see it. Nope, it's too dark. We still got most of the airbags to remove before we get to that process. But yeah, right now I just called my glass guy to come remove my front and rear windshield. My front windshield and my rear glass, since I don't have the appropriate tools, so I can get my headliner safely out before we get started. But I'm just gonna make his job easier, remove the windshield wipers, and just start tackling the inside airbags and the top roof rack rails, and then we'll be good to go. So
the glass guy never came, so we went to Harbor Freight, got some tools, and did it ourselves. Alright, we're back. My cousin had to go run some errands, so I'll be taking over. But for the meanwhile, we're going to be, let's see, taking this front windshield covers and these rails for the roof, and what else? Maybe the airbags take off. For the most part, everything's going pretty smooth. Like we said, everything's easy to take off, but we'll just get to it. Alright, got this off already. Pretty simple stuff. Taking this off, just 2 bolts for the windshield, for the wipers, then the plastic comes right off. Now next I'm going to be taking this roof, these roof rails, just Torx bits. Yeah, I'm just gonna get right to it.
Kind of rebuild, and we're back with our 2017 Tacoma rebuild. Well, from the previous footage, you can see now we have a white pillar and a white roof. We had a little incident with some footage, but yes, this is the progress. We have already welded this pillar in from our donor roof, and pretty much everything's been spot welded and seam sealed so far. So that's the progress. Other than that, today we're going to start hitting the little dings all around the vehicle. I mean, ranging from, these little dings right here on the door,
they're just all over the car. And
yeah, I mean, I'll just give you a quick walk around. But yeah, there's small dings here and there that we're just going to be touching up. Yeah, thank you. Small dings here and there.
Right here.
And then there's a tiny one right there.
And this door is different?
Yeah, that's the one we had mentioned on our previous recording. And then we have all our parts in for our front end. And then we'll be taking care of this on the frame machine later, if not today or the next day. But yeah, that's our progress, so we're gonna get to it.
weld spots where we welded it, probably a little bit right here, just to get a little bit of that stuff away out of there. Yeah. Okay, I'm about to put some hardener. Always got to make sure it's all one color. You don't need any of that blue stuff still there. Should be good. Alright, got everything sanded down. Now we're just gonna take care of the other side before we put any body filler to the little imperfections that it has. But besides that, we'll be good. So we're just gonna go take care of the other side. So
Alrighty.
we're just gonna find a way to pop this out. Maybe from inside, we'll just find somewhere. This and this as well. We're gonna pop this out.
And then other than that, it'll just be little dings and dents, I mean, on the doors and stuff. But yeah, other than that, that's the progress so far. So we'll check back with you here in a second once we get
all this taken care of, popping out. All right,
here we go.
All right, well, my cousin had to step out, but in the meanwhile, I put fiberglass on this side, just a little bit, the top. Now I got everything taken out, all the dents, grinded it all down. It's ready for body filler. Put a little bit of fiberglass here because it was a little bit that I had left over. I'm just gonna put the rest body filler. I already had this set up. I'm gonna be using Supreme filler. I'm gonna mix this up and apply it on the spots that are grinded. And I have taken the handle off of this, and I am gonna open the door. Forgot about that. Leave this here. Just like that. Bring this with me. This does dry up pretty fast. Hopefully it doesn't dry up on me. Okay, that didn't get on pretty good, but there we go. Yeah, this may have needed a little bit more, but it'll be alright. Pretty sure. Yeah, it's not gonna be enough. Alright, yeah, that will do. Alright, next I'm just gonna put in a time lapse of me sanding all this down. Alright, well I got most of this sand down. Probably needs one more coat of filler. I didn't sand this one down nor that one. Just mostly hit the bigger spots, but I'm gonna hit this early in the morning. Possibly finish it. Alright, well I'll continue this.